wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best hydroponic starter kits for beginners. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. For a budget option for indoor use, try the yaegarden self-watering grower. It comes bundled with all the air stones and tubes needed for aeration, and the light-proof construction of the feeding tank will help prevent the buildup of algae. It includes a pump and 6 rooting sponges. However, it is small compared to many other models. At number 9, the dreamjoy ebb and flow will hold up to 36 seedlings and is very easy to use. If you want to produce large harvests, you can simply stack other units on top. It has a 110-volt pump to irrigate your crop, and you can choose between 2 water circulation methods. It's simple to assemble, but it is too fragile for heavy plants, and it requires sunlight or a lamp. Coming in at number 8 in our list. The Atwater hydropod uses a dual-action pump that combines reservoir oxygenation with a top-feeding drip system to recirculate the fertilizing solution. The bundle includes a pH tester, so you can be sure your acidity balance is correct. It comes with reusable clay pellets and a large 5-gallon bucket. However, it doesn't include any lighting. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for hydroponic starter kits for beginners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the savvygrow vertical herb garden offers an organic way to produce large yields without taking up too much floor space. Although it is bigger than countertop units, you can still install it inside your home, and it requires very little maintenance. It comes with an air stone and LED light bars for each level, but it is too big for most kitchens. Moving up our list to number 6. The moistenland indoor herb garden features 12 biochar mud pods that are more effective than the simple sponges most other kits often use. It has dual growing modes for vegetative and flowering stages, height-adjustable lighting, and a pump to supply the nutrients. It's equipped with a built-in fan for strong stems and a 4-liter reservoir. However, it doesn't include any seeds. Halfway up our list at number 5. For large plants, consider the topolite complete growing system. This comprehensive kit has a light-proof tent for your pots, a 4-inch inline fan to control air circulation, a filter to reduce odors, and caters to all stages of the growth cycle. It features heavy-duty zippers and a removable floor tray. It's available with multiple LED lamp sizes. At number 4, the aerogarden white harvest will accommodate 6 plants up to 12 inches tall and comes with all the nutrients you need for a fast, thriving crop. The control panel reminds you when to add water and will also automatically turn your lights on and off. It includes seeds for herbs and all natural liquid food. The height of the lamp is adjustable. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Despite its compact appearance, the reservoir on the Click and Grow Smart Garden 3 is sizable enough to water your crop for a month. You can also purchase a variety of 50 additional pre-seeded pods, so you don't have to seed it yourself. It's very easy to set up and small enough for any kitchen. It includes all nutrients. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for hydroponic starter kits for beginners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the aerospring indoor tower system is a lot pricier than some other options, but it should consistently deliver 3 servings a day of your favorite leafy greens. The watering system sprays a constant supply of nutrients to feed up to 27 plants at a time. It boasts an app to control the lighting and irrigation, 6 23-watt LED bars, and a lightweight aluminum frame and base. And taking the top spot on our list, green-thumbed cooks will appreciate how easy the aerogarden Bounty is to use. This small high-tech propagator is Wi-Fi enabled and Alexa compatible for lighting and watering from your smartphone, and comes with 9 seed pods and plant food. It includes a 6-inch trellis, a lamp that extends to 24 inches, and a high-resolution touchscreen. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Hydroponic Starter Kits for Beginners, or simply click beneath this video.